imagine myself letting the shit slide when some of the powers that be want a nigga to dick ride. Pay for this and pay for that, forcing me to put out CDs when really a nigga made for rap. Who owns the map on how to get there and strive, not only to survive and to dodge all the obstacles and make it there alive? Way too many get there undeserving, but who am I to determine where a blessing go? I think I'm professional, I can kill any one of your celebrity favorites like fentanyl or smack 'em with a wrecking ball. But there won't be no money for pleasure, nothing but torture. I keep it gangster with a hater, La Cosa Nostra. So dare try me, I don't keep nothing by me but my confidence, and I bet you the two of us in the army. Fuck around and try me, I'll fold you like origami, or maybe do it pimp style like Willie did Rocky. I can't imagine myself letting this wannabe sound alikes claim all the glory when they just copycats. Replicas of something my ears recognize, deja vu, and I seem to be saying that all the time these days. After hearing it once, it get no replay. Pussy, I'm the business, I should make me a CK. A lunatic Gemini, they should call me Lil Ye, cause I'm too insane. I'm out.